The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is an incredibly advanced device, packed with cutting-edge technology and an impressive foldable design that transforms the way you interact with your smartphone. Whether you've upgraded from a previous model or this is your first foldable, there are a few key things you should do right out of the box to ensure you're getting the most out of your new device. This guide will walk you through the first things to do when you get your Galaxy Z Fold6, from setting up to customizing and optimizing the phone for daily use. 1. Unbox and inspect the device. Before diving into settings or apps, take a moment to inspect the device. The Galaxy Z Fold6 has a delicate and innovative design, so make sure everything in the box is intact and working as expected. Check for any physical damage. Ensure there are no visible scratches, dents, or cracks. Included accessories. Verify that the device comes with the usual accessories, including the charging cable, SIM ejector tool, and any protective films or cases Samsung includes. Once you've confirmed everything is in order, power on the device. 2. Charge the device. Out of the box, your Galaxy Z Fold May 6th not be fully charged, so plug it in and charge it to at least 50% before proceeding with any extensive setup. This ensures you won't run into power issues during the initial setup and allows you to perform software updates without interruption. 3. Set up your Galaxy Z Fold6. Power on the device and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your phone. Choose your language and region. Select the language and region you want the device to use. Connect to Wi-Fi. Ensure you connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to download updates and set up your Google and Samsung accounts. Sign in to your Google account. This allows you to sync your contacts, calendar, apps, and more from your previous Android device, making the transition smoother. Sign in to Samsung account. This will allow you to access Samsung-specific services like Samsung Cloud, Samsung Pay, and Galaxy Store apps. Set up biometrics. The Galaxy Z Fold6 features advanced biometric security options, including an under-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition. Set up these features to increase the security of your device. 4. Update software. As with most new devices, the first thing you should do after setting up is check for any system updates. Samsung releases frequent software and security updates, so ensuring your device is up to date is crucial for smooth performance and security. Go to Settings, Software Update, and select Download and Install to make sure your device is running the latest firmware. Update your apps. Open the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store and check for app updates to ensure all apps are optimized for the Z Fold 6 foldable screen. 5. Explore the Flex mode. One of the most exciting features of the Galaxy Z Fold6 is its Flex mode, which lets you use the phone at various angles when folded partially. This is especially useful for multitasking or hands-free video calls. Test Flex mode. Open an app that supports Flex mode, like YouTube, Google Duo, or Samsung's native apps like Camera. When you fold the phone at around 90 degrees, the app will automatically adjust to display content on the top half, while controls will appear on the bottom half of the screen. Customize Flex mode settings. You can adjust which apps use Flex mode or how they behave when the phone is partially folded by going to Settings, Advanced Features, Labs.